Assalamu alaikum student. Today I will explain chapter 18 and it is the math workbook 2 and the page number is 119. Our topic name is formatting pattern. So here is one question. Color the shape that comes next in the pattern. Okay. Now I will discuss A. You can see here, first you have to count the shape number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this 6 shape you have to divide it into 2 patterns and each pattern should have 3. So underline first 3, then down you write 1 and afterward after the line you can see another 3. Here also you underline 3 and then put 2. That is pattern number 2. So for the shape also you have to give the number 1, 2, 3. And after the line also 1, 2, 3. You must put this straight line. Then you can be clear. You have 2 patterns. This is pattern number 1 and this is pattern number 2. Now you have to think about the pattern number 3. Suppose you have to make the pattern number 3. To make the pattern number 3, which shape will come? Square or circle? Obviously square. So if you observe pattern number 1 and pattern number 2, so which is the first shape? This. According to this 2 pattern, you have to make the third pattern also. So inside the box we can see 2 shapes are given. One is square and another is triangle. So to make the pattern number 3, which shape will come first? Obviously square. Take this one and later you will circle it. Okay. Now we will discuss B. So what we'll do first, you have to count the shape number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are getting 8 shapes. This 8 shape you have to divide it into 2 patterns. And each pattern should have 4. So you should underline this 4 shape and down you write 1. That means this is the pattern number 1. And afterward you have to underline the another 4 shapes and down you write 2. So now you are getting another pattern also. And one thing you should do, you should make one straight line. Now it is very clear, you have 2 patterns. This is the pattern number 1 and pattern number 2. And you must put the shape number 1, 2, 3, 4. And afterward 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 2 patterns. Now you have to think pattern number 3. So to make the pattern number 3, which shape will come? 1 or 2? See here, observe this pattern and observe this pattern. Pattern number 1 also and pattern number 2 also. Which shape came first? So we can see here triangle. So from this box you have to choose to make the pattern number 3. Which shape will come? Triangle or semicircle? So triangle obviously. So take the triangle and later I will color it. Okay. Now we will discuss C. First what you will do, you have to count the shape number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the odd number. In that case what you will do, you have to close the last shape by your finger. Then afterward how many left? You can see here 6 shape. This 6 shape you have to divide it into 2 patterns. And each pattern should have 3. Underline the 3 shape, then underline another shape and give the name also, give the number also for the pattern. Pattern number 1 and pattern number 2. And for the shape also you give the number. So you got already 2 patterns. So pattern number 1 and pattern number 1. Afterward you got, after getting the 2 pattern, you remove your finger then you will get another shape. This is the extra one. This extra shape will be included pattern number 3. So down you write 3 and only one shape is given here. So now you have to think which shape will come. Next, which shape will come for pattern number 3? Obviously square. See here. First is this and then second is this. So square. So from the box you have to choose which one you have to color. So square is the second shape. So you have to tick this one and color later. Now we'll discuss D. Count the shade number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then divide into 2 pattern. So when you will get 6 shape, each pattern should have 3 shapes. Underline the 3 shape, then down you write 1. That means this is the pattern number 1. And underline another 3 shape and down write 2. That means this is pattern number 2. Then between these 2 patterns you should make one straight line. Now it is very clear you got 2 patterns. Pattern number 1 and pattern number 2. And for the shapes also you should write the number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you don't have pattern number 3. Now you have to think the pattern number 3. To make the pattern number 3, which shape will come first? 1 or 2? Obviously 1. So from the box you have to choose to make the pattern number 3. Which shape will come first? Obviously this one. It is look like the pattern number, shape number 1. So tick this one and color also.